Hello everyone. I welcome you all to Kerala CBSE School Module online classes. So today I will start with exercise 6.3. In 6.3 exercise, first main question. Here what they are asking, state which pairs of triangles in figure are similar. They are given 5 pairs of triangles here and they are asking we have to mention which pairs of triangles are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question. We have to mention similarity criterion used to mention those triangles as similar triangles. And also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. And we have to write pairs of triangles in the symbolic form if they are similar. So in first pair of diagrams, what are given here? Triangle ABC this is and PQR. Here it is 60 degree and 80 degree, 40 degree. This is 60 degree. Angle Q. This is also 80 degree. And angle R. This is 40 degree. So here we have to mention whether these pair of triangles are similar or not. Here in angle triangle ABC and PQR, angle A is equal to angle P because this is 60 degree and here this is also 60 degree. Angle A is equal to angle P. Like this only here, angle B is equal to angle Q because both are 80 degree only. Now, angle C is equal to angle R. Why? Both are 40 degree. So here, all the angles are equal to each other. Corresponding angles, not all the angles, corresponding angles means angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. So first, similarity of two triangles. What was the condition? If corresponding angles are equal to each other, then we can say that we can say that two triangles are similar. So here all the corresponding angles are equal to each other. Therefore, now I will mention these two triangles as similar in symbolic form. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to, this is the symbol used to indicate similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and we have to mention the criteria which is used to mention these triangles as similar. So here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by angle means AAA. By angle AAA, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because here corresponding angles are equal to each other. This is the first one. Next, in second pair of triangles, what they are given here. Second question. This is triangle ABC. And here PQR. Here AB is of 2 centimeters and BC 2.5, AC 3 centimeters. Here PQ 6 centimeter and QR 4 centimeters and PR is of 5 centimeters. Here in two triangles they are given length of the sides. So here it is AB is of 2 centimeter and QR is of 4 centimeter. 2 by 4. AB by QR. Here I will write AB by QR. Like this only. Here BC is of 2.5 centimeter and PR is of 5 centimeter. 2.5 by 5 means we will get 1 by 2 only. So here I will write BC by PR. Like this only. Here AC by PQ. AC by PQ. Because here AC is of 3 centimeter and PQ is of 6 centimeter, means 3 by 6. How much you get? 1 by 2 only. So here AB means 2 centimeter and QR is of 4 centimeter. Here 2 on the 2 to the 1 by 2. Like this only. BC is of 2.5 centimeter and PR is of 5 centimeter. BC by PR means BC is of 2.5 and PR 5 centimeter. 2.5 by 5 means 1 by 2. Now AC by PQ. AC is of 3 centimeter and PQ is of 6 centimeter. Here we have the equilibrium. Again we get 1 by 2 only. So here all the sides are corresponding sides are proportional. See here how you should consider sides of the triangles. Here 2, 4 means 2 on the 2 to 2.5, 5 means 2.5 into 1, 2, 5 means 2.5 into 2. We will get 1 by 2 only. Like this 3, 6, 3 on the 3 to the 1 by 2. So here I will consider sides of the triangles in such a way that I will check whether I will get same proportional value or not. In such a way that I will consider all the sides. So here AB is of 2 centimeter, QR is of 4 centimeter. So first I will consider AB by QR means here AB by QR 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Like this only. BC is of 2.5 centimeter, here it is 5. 2.5 by 5 means I will get again 1 by 2 only. Therefore BC by PR. Again I will get 1 by 2. Again here AC is of 3 centimeter, PQ is of 6 centimeter. 3 by 6 means again I will get 1 by 2. Therefore I will consider AC by PQ. That is equals to 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. So I will check with sides whether I will get same proportional value or not. By using that proportionality, I will consider the sides. Therefore, I considered here AB QR 2 by 4, BC PR means 2.5 by 5. Like this only AC by PQ means 3 by 6. In all the cases, I will get answer as 1 by 2 only. Therefore, corresponding sides are proportional. So here we can write AB by QR is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PQ equals to AC by PQ. All the sides are proportional. So here we can write therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side. Here, all the sides are proportional. Therefore, by side SSS, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now, third one. This is the triangle LMP. Two 2.7. Here it is 2 centimeter. It is 3 centimeter. Another triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So now to check these triangles are similar or not, they have given size of the or length of the sides. Here it is of 3 centimeter, here it is 6 centimeter. If it is 3, here it is 6 means LP by DF. LP by DF is equals to, here it is 3 centimeter, here it is 6. 3 by 6 means again we will get 1 by 2 here also. And next, here this MP is of 2 centimeter and DE 4 centimeter. MP by DE 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 only. 2 ones are 2 twos are. We get 1 by 2 only. Now we have to check with LM by EF. If we again get 1 by 2 only, then we can say that these two triangles are similar. So now I will check with LM by EF. LM by EF. Here 2.7 by 5. Here they are given 2.7. 2.7 by 5 means if it is 2.5 by 5, then we will get 1 by 2. But here it is 2.7 by 5 means we will not get 1 by 2. It is not equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, here all the corresponding sides are not proportional. Here all the corresponding sides are not proportional. Therefore, we can say that triangle LMP is not similar to triangle DEF. You can say that these two triangles are not similar. Suppose if they are given here length of LM as 2.5 centimeter, then here LM by EF means you will get 2.5 by 5 means you will get 1 by 2 only. Again you will get 1 by 2 as the answer for all the sides. Therefore, we can say that these two triangles are similar. But here they are given 2.7. Means here 2 by 4 means we will get 1 by 2, 3 by 6 means we will get 1 by 2 only, but 2.7 by 5 means we will not get 1 by 2 as the answer. Therefore, all the sides, all the corresponding sides are not proportional, therefore, these two triangles are not similar. Next one. This is third one. Next, fourth problem. Triangle MNL this is 70 degree, angle M is 70 degree, this is 2.5 centimeter and this is of 5 centimeters. And another triangle PQR. PQR. Here PQ is of 5 centimeters, it is 70 degree, and this is of 10 centimeter. So here, to check whether these two triangles are similar or not, they have given length of two sides in both triangles and size of the one angle. So here it is 2.5 centimeter and here it is 5 centimeter. Means first I will write, I will check proportionality Mn by PQ. 2.5 by 5 means 1 by 2 will get. Like this only here. Ml by QR. Before that, even I can consider this angle also. Here angle M is equal to angle M is 70 degree. Here angle Q is 70 degree. Therefore, angle M is equal to angle Q because both the angles are 70 degree only. Now I will consider this ML. ML by here they are given length of QR. ML by QR. Therefore, here ml by QR means length of ml is of 5 centimeter, QR 10 centimeter. 5 by 10 means 5 on the 5 is again you get 1 by 2. Here these two sides are proportional and one angle M and angle Q are equal because both the angles are 70 degree. So now Mn by PQ is also 1 by 2 only and Ml by QR is also 1 by 2. Then we can write that Mn here Mn by PQ is equal to Ml by QR. Ml by QR. Because we got answer 1 by 2. Now angle M is equal to angle Q because both angles are equal to 70 degree only. And now we can write by using this we can write therefore triangle MNL triangle MNL is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Why? Because using the criteria side angle side. Here these two sides are proportional 2.5 means we get 1 by 2. Again angle M, angle Q. Both the angles are equal. Here I will write side. Here angle M is equal to angle Q. Side angle here angle side ML by Q bar means 5/10 means you got answer as 1/2 only. Therefore here side by using the criteria side angle side means SAS. We can say that triangle MNL is similar to triangle PQR. This is the fourth one. Next, fifth problem. This triangle ABC here, angle A is of 80 degree. This is 2.5 centimeter and BC is of 3 centimeter. Here triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. Here angle F is 80 degree and DF is of 5 centimeters and here side EF is of 6 centimeters. Here they are given again length of two sides in both triangles and size of one angle. But what they did here, we can consider this AB by DF, which is of here 2.5 by 5 means you will get 1/2. But here they are given side length of the side BC, which is of 3 centimeter. But this side is opposite to 80 degree. This side is opposite to angle they have given, which is opposite to 80 degree. But here 3/6 means we will get 1/2 only. But what happens here? This side EF is not opposite to 80 degree. Means these two sides are not corresponding sides. Here it is 3 centimeters, here it is 6 centimeter. We will get 1/2 only, but this side BC is opposite to 80 degree. But here it is not opposite to 80 degree. So these two sides, side BC and EF, are not corresponding sides. If they are given length of AC as 3 centimeters, then we can consider AC by EF means 3/6 is equal to 1/2. Then these two sides are proportional. But here they are given length of the side DS. Suppose if they are given length of the side ED here in this diagram, ED as 6 centimeter, then we can consider BC by ED. These two sides are corresponding sides because this BC is opposite to 80 degree. So if they are given length of the side ED as 6 centimeter, because this ED is opposite to 80 degree. If they are given this as 6 centimeter, then only we can consider 3/6 is equal to 1/2. But here they are given length of the two sides which are not corresponding. These two are 2.5 and this 5 centimeter DF. These two sides are corresponding sides, but these two sides are not corresponding sides because this 3 centimeter or side BC is opposite to 80 degree, but here they are not given length of the side which is opposite to 80 degree. Therefore, these two triangles are not similar. Right here in detail, they are not given length of the corresponding sides. They have not given length of the corresponding sides. Therefore, we can say that these two sides are not similar. Okay. Next, I will move to the sixth problem. This is triangle BPF and this is triangle PQR. And here angle D is of 70 degree, angle E is of 80 degree, and here angle Q is 80 degree, angle R is of 30 degree. Now in sixth problem, what they have given here. So here in these two triangles, to check whether these two triangles are similar or not, what I have given size of two angles. Here this is of 70 degree and 80 degree, here 80 degree and 30 degree. By using size of these two angles, we can calculate remaining angle. We all know angle sum property. I think you all studied in previous class. Here, sum of internal angles in a triangle always equals to 180 degree. Sum of all these angles always equals to 180 degree. So here, if it is angle D is of 70 degree and angle D is of 80 degree, 80 plus 70 means what you can write here? 80 plus 70. Here I will write angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equals to how much? 180 degree. Angle D is of 70 degree plus angle E 80 degree plus angle F. Now I will calculate angle F is equals to 180 degree. 70 plus 80 means 150 degree plus angle F is equals to 180 degree. Now angle F is equals to 180 degree. Now I will move this 150 degree to other side. 150 degree. 180 minus 150 degree. Therefore, angle F is equals to 180 minus 150 means 30 degree. Like this only. Now we want to know angle F is of 30 degree. Like this only, we will calculate angle P. Here, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. How it is 180 degree? In all the triangles, sum of the angles, internal angles equals to 180 degree only. Therefore, angle P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree, and we have to calculate angle P value, and angle Q is of 80 degree. This is 80 degree plus angle R is 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now angle P plus 80 plus 30 means 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. 80 plus 30 means 110. Now angle P is equal to 180 degree. I will move this 110 degree to other side. Therefore 180 degree minus 110 degree. Therefore, angle P is equals to 180 minus 110 degree means how much? 180 minus 110 means 70. Therefore, angle is of 70 degree. Therefore, we can write that angle D is equal to angle P because both these angles are equal to 70 degree. Like this only, angle E is equal to angle Q. These two angles are 80 degree. Next, angle F is equal to angle R. Angle F is equal to angle R. Here, these two angles are equal to 30 degree only. So now we can write here corresponding angles are equal to each other. Therefore, we can write triangle DEF, triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR, triangle PQR by angle means A. These two triangles are similar because corresponding sides are equal. Sorry, corresponding angles are equal. So therefore these two triangles are similar. By observing this problem, we can say that here they are given, not given this angle F, and here they are not given angle P. But here 80 degree and 70 degree, and if here 80 degree and 70 degree, if they are not given, suppose for example consider angle, if they are not given angle F and R, this angle F and angle R, here these two angles are 30 degree, if they are not given, if they are given 70 degree and 70 degree, 80 degree and 80 degree, suppose for example they are given these two values, means size of two angles. If in any two triangles they are given size of the any two angles, if those values or if those angles are equal to each other, then we can say that remaining third angle is equal, because 70 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree, 80 degree means we can calculate remaining angle of the triangle. 70 plus 80 means 150. So here also we will get 150 only, means remaining angle should be 30 degree only in all the triangles if they are given 70, 80 and 70, 80. Then if two angles are equal, if two corresponding angles are equal in any two triangles, then we can say that remaining angle is also equal to each other. Then if any two angles, corresponding angles are equal to each other, then we can say that those two triangles are similar, because remaining angle will be equal only. Therefore, but here in problem they are given two angles only, and we will calculate here angle F and angle P, and we will get corresponding angles are equal. Here corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are similar because of AAA. I hope you all are clear with this first problem. In next class, I will continue with further problems of exercise 6.3. Thank you all.